Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make the screen extra bright during a video playback in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now here in advanced features, scroll down and here you will see a video brightness option. So tap on this option, and to make the screen extra brighter during a video playback, select bright. After selecting bright, it will increase the brightness during the video playback. So that's how you can make the screen extra bright during a video playback in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.